This video will cover how to install the VST EVR G2 nozzle and the VST SRM nozzle. Be safe. Remember, you're dealing with a potentially highly explosive, highly flammable liquid and equipment that can take your life. You must constantly be aware of the need for a high degree of concern for not only the public safety, but your personal safety as well. Don't take any chances or shortcuts. Be sure to check with the local authorities about their safety requirements for the area in which you'll be working. Here are the top safety precautions. 1. Appropriately barricade the work area to block vehicle access. 2. For the dispenser, power it off, lock and tag it out, close the product shear valve. 3. Drain the liquid into an approved container. 4. Remove old hanging hardware before assembling the new components. Always adhere to the appropriate lockout-tagout procedures. Here are the tools and supplies you'll need. 1. Petroleum jelly. And 2. A torque wrench with an open-end attachment. Although the G2 nozzle and the SRM nozzle are different nozzles, they are installed the same way. Note that they each have distinguishing nameplates, with the SRM having a black label and the G2 having a blue label that states G2. The G2 nozzle large band clamp is also marked G2. The nozzle boxes also have distinguishing labels. The SRM nozzle has a yellow label to identify the serial number on the nozzle box, and the G2 nozzle has a blue label to identify the serial number on the nozzle box. Pay special attention to this note if you're installing at a new facility. If this is a new facility installation, the fueling point must be flushed into an approved container before installing the nozzle. Using a new nozzle to flush the system could result in foreign material becoming lodged in the nozzle's valve and cause it to not shut off. Lightly lubricate all O-rings on the mating connections with petroleum jelly or other suitable lubricant. Do not use pipe dope or thread sealant. Attach the nozzle onto the mating hose connection and tighten it by hand. Tighten the nozzle connection to 50 foot-pounds of torque. Do not over-tighten. Use a torque wrench with an open-end attachment to fit the hose couplings. Do not use channel locks or pliers to tighten the hose joints because the proper foot-pound torque may not be achieved with channel locks or pliers. Take note that the dispenser cradles or holsters may need adjusting so the SRM-style nozzle fits properly. VST provides instructions for hanging the SRM nozzle in a variety of dispenser types. VST offers a dispenser cradle snap-in plate, VST ENCP 100, to be used on the Gilbarco Encore dispenser cradles. VST also offers a dispenser cradle plate, VST OVAP 100, to be used with the new plastic Wayne Ovation dispenser cradles. In addition, the new G2 nozzle may require that you adjust the dispenser cradle for optimal fit and function. Anytime you replace or repair a component, you must perform these 3 tests to make sure the component is functioning correctly. 1. A leak test. 2. A nozzle shutoff test. And 3. A resistance test. You've reached the end of this video.